Hello Dan, it's Rob here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2006 BMW R1200RT. Here are all the details including price and mileage. The motorcycle is in excellent condition. As you know, it's a boxer engine, it has a traction control on it, has a cruise control as well, and has a heated grips too. So the 2010, and it comes with a 2-pack, so it has 3 bags on it. And the 2010 is a dark gray, has 47,000 kilometers. Then the price is $12,498. This motorcycle is fully certified as well, has 2 saddlebags, it's slightly different. Has the same cruise control, the electronics. It has a heated grips and heated seats for both driver, rider, and the passenger as well. And it is certified and is ready to go. If you want to come and take a look, you're more than welcome. Please come and check the bikes in person. If you have any questions, please call back at 905-660-2901 extension 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.